This is a used 2007 Mazda CX-7. Zoom Zoom. Powered by front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. The features include a turbocharger, leather seats, heated seats, a HomeLink system, steering wheel controls, trailer hitch, aluminum rims, auto-dimming mirrors, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, a spoiler. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, stability control. Be confident in your purchase with an AutoCheck Vehicle History Report, the industry's trusted vehicle history provider. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today. Lenoir City Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 774 Highway 321 North, Lenoir City, Tennessee 37771.